This video is about how I made my first $5,000 on Fiverr affiliates and how you can copy me and do the same exact thing, and hopefully you get a similar result. And a little backstory for those who've not been watching this channel before, I already made a part 1 to this video, and you can check the card above this video right now or go to the description. You are going to find a link to that video. So in that video, I basically tried out Fiverr affiliate for 1 week and I shared my result in that video. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I decided to spice up things and take the old method to a new level, and that is by ranking our Fiverr affiliate link on Google directly. And so you know, you don't need a follower for this, and you don't even need to have an existing website to do this. I'm going to walk you through how I did everything step by step in this video so that you can replicate the same thing. And as you can see right on my screen, this is an invoice I generated for last month. And as you can see here, over $5,000. And I'm going to try as much as possible to also update you guys when I receive the payment. So now moving into the method, the first thing you're going to be needing is Google Trends. And the reason you want to do this is because we want to work with data, because with data, you know what is working and what is not working, so you don't even need to do any guesswork. And to do that, you want to go over to trends.google.com. This is a platform provided to you by Google, which you can use to check what is trending, which is then going to give you a powerful insight to know what you should be promoting right now. If you come over to googletrends.com, you can simply type in any keyword right here and you can check if that keyword is worth promoting right now or not. And like I said earlier, I made a part 1 to this video already, and the niche I used is the birthday niche. So I'm going to try it out right here and let's see if that keyword is relevant right now or not. And also, before you type in any keyword right here, you want to make sure to come over to the explore section, and I highly recommend to change this from the last 12 months, which is a year ago. You want to work with what is currently trending in the last 90 days or in the last 30 days, because these are much more accurate and it's going to be more useful compared to checking what is trending about a year ago. So once you do this setting, all you need to do is to then type in whatever keyword you want to type in right here. And like I said in the previous video, we used happy birthday wish. So I'm going to type in a little bit long tail keyword like happy birthday wish for friend, so that we can be more specific with what we are searching for on Google. So if I type this right here, it's going to show us a graph of how this keyword has been performing over time. And as you can see here, in the last 90 days, this keyword is getting a lot of traction, which means a lot of people on Google are searching for this keyword. And as you can see, the graph here is pointing upward, which tells you as of this month, people are still searching for this keyword heavily. And that tells you you can make a lot of money if you use the right approach to rank on this keyword. And now you can even try different variations like happy birthday, which is for mother, for friend, for girlfriend, boyfriend, or whatever it is here. You can type in this other long tail variation, and that way you can even have more keywords on your hands that you can rank for on Google and get a lot of organic traffic. And once you find a good keyword like this, the next step is to then go over to wordstream.com. This is also a free platform you can use to get the volume of that keyword, to know how many searches that keyword gets every month. So if you come over to wordstream.com, all you need to do is to come over to free tools, and you want to come over to free keyword tool. So once you click on this definitely is going to show us how much volume this keyword gets every single month. So all you need to do from here is to then type in the exact keyword here, and you want to click on find my keywords. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to make sure to select United States, as we want to try as much as possible to reach US audience, because they have higher purchasing power and they can easily purchase this Fiverr gig. Okay, so now you want to then click on continue. So once you do that, as you can see here, it's going to show us the number of searches this keyword gets every single month. And as you can see here, this keyword gets over 49,000 searches every single month. Imagine we get just 1% of these people purchasing this Fiverr gig. Imagine how much you're going to be making, and that tells you there are not a lot of competitors on this niche, and you can use this niche to make a lot of money. All right, and just like I mentioned earlier, you can see there are other variations of this keyword you can look for as well. So the next thing you then want to do from here, once you find a very good keyword to work with, is to come over to Fiverr.com, and you are not going to be offering any services on this platform. Rather, we are going to be using the affiliate program to make money. And for those who don't have an account with Fiverr affiliate program, all you need to do once you come over to Fiverr.com is to simply scroll to the very bottom until you find this section that says affiliates. So once you click on that, it's going to then bring you to this page, and this is where you'll be able to sign up to the Fiverr affiliate program and start promoting Fiverr gigs, and you get an affiliate commission. And for those who don't know, you get paid 25% of whatever buyer purchases on Fiverr. As you can see right here, marketplace gig, which is the one we are going to be focusing on this video. Like I said, you're going to get 25% of the person's first order, and also you are going to get 10% of their order in the next 1 year. That tells you can make a lot of money from just one customer in the course of 1 year. So now that you know how you're going to be making money from Fiverr, all you then need to do from here is to click on the join now button. Once you do that, you want to then enter your basic information right here, and you're going to get your account created right away. So once you have your account created, the next thing we are going to be doing is to then look for a Fiverr gig in the Fiverr marketplace, since we are going to be using the Fiverr marketplace gig to make money, which I said earlier is going to give you 25% of whatever a buyer spends on Fiverr. Keep in mind, this has to be a first-time buyer. Okay, so now you want to then go over to Fiverr.com itself, and this is where you're going to find endless amounts of gigs that you can promote on this platform. So once you find the keyword, you want to then type in that keyword right here, something like birthday wishes for friend. So once you do that, you're going to find a lot of Fiverr gigs you can use, but this is one of the best I found on this niche. As you can see here, I will wish happy birthday as a breaking news reporter in 24 hours. So this is very unique, and this stands out because a lot of people would think they are already in the news. Okay, so now what you want to do from here is to basically come over here and you want to copy the Fiverr gig link. Okay, and keep in mind here, we want to check out how much this seller is charging on Fiverr. As you can see, a standard plan right here, which is the plan most people purchase on Fiverr from this seller, and as you can see here, this goes for $15. So 25% of $15 is $3.75. So imagine we get just 100 people every day purchasing this Fiverr gig. That is already $375 from just 100 people alone, because keep in mind, these people here are already targeted traffic that are likely to be interested in this gig because they are looking for a birthday wish for their friends. And as you can see right here, there are other variations as well, which means you can make even more money from this targeted audience. So once you copy the link, the next thing you want to then do is to go to your Fiverr account. Then you want to go to marketing tools section, and you want to then click on default and deep links. So once you click on this is going to show you various plans or various model you can use to get paid from your affiliate link. As you can see, this is the Fiverr old plan, and this will not be available for most of you who have a new account. Rather, you are going to see this section that says Fiverr marketplace new plan. Okay, so you want to make sure to then come over to this section that says deep link, and you want to then paste in this Fiverr link right here, and you want to click on save. So once you click on save, you want to come over to the marketplace new plan section, and you want to then copy your affiliate link. So this is the link you're going to be using to promote this Fiverr gig. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, what I did differently was using SEO to rank directly on Google. The next thing you want to then do is to go over to blogger.com, and this is where we are going to be hosting our articles. All you need to do is to create a free account with Blogger. And for those who don't know, this is a website creator which you can use to host any website for absolutely free. And the beauty of it is that you can even make money directly from AdSense, as you can see right here. So once you come over to blogger.com, all you need to do is to click on create your blog. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to be asked to give your blog a name. So here I'm just going to be typing. So for me, I'm just going to be taking birthdays galore as an example, and you want to click on next. And here you want to then type in an address for your website like this. So you want to then enter your display name. You want to then click on finish. As you can see, we have successfully created our blog, and the next thing you want to then do here is to go over to theme, as you want to make our blog look as professional as possible. Okay, so now you can come over here and click on view blog. So if you do that, as you can see, this is what our blog looks like, and this looks really old school. So we want to create something modern. So you want to then go over to themes, like I said, and you want to come over to customize. So once you click on this, you want to then click on restore, and I'm going to leave a theme down below in the description which you want to download. So once you download that theme, you want to then click on upload, and then you want to go over to the set file in the description which you must have downloaded to your device. So once you download it to your device, you want to make sure to then click on this free.xml, and you want to click on open. So this is all we need to do. Then if we go back to our website again and if we click on refresh, as you can see, this is what our website looks like, and it looks more professional this way. As you can see, we even have social buttons right here, which is going to give people impression that we have a lot of followers, and then which is going to help increase the trust of our website. The next thing you want to then do is to come over to writer.me, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. For those who don't know, this is an AI-based software that is going to do all the writing for us and help us rank our article on Google. And if you don't think that is interesting, if you scroll down here, you can see it has a plagiarism checker in the tool, which you can use to make sure your content is original and unique. And that means you're going to get rank on Google without having any doubts. So if you click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you here where you can then create an absolutely free account. However, there are restrictions to using a free account, which is why I recommend, if you want to take this seriously and make a lot of money with this platform, you want to go over to the pricing section, and this is where you're going to have access to either the unlimited plan or the premium plan. And what this gives you is access to this plagiarism checker tool, which you can use to ensure your content is plagiarism free and get you ranked on Google and get a lot of organic free traffic. And as you can see, it's inexpensive, just $7 a month. And this is nothing compared to when you get hundreds of people purchasing these Fiverr gigs and making you passive income months and years down the line. So you want to make sure to select any of this plan, because that is where you are going to have access to the plagiarism checker. So all you just simply need to do is to come over to the language. You want to make sure you select English, since we are targeting United States, and you want to come over to the tone section, and I highly recommend to go for informative, as this is where you will be able to give value to your audience. And once they go through this article and they get useful information and value from the content, they are likely to click on our Fiverr affiliate link. Then you want to come over to this use case section, and you want to make sure to select blog idea and outline. If you do that, you want to make sure to then come over here and type in that keyword right here. Once you type that, all you need to do is to click on write. So as you can see right here, it has given us a very good blog title we can use. This one right here that says heartfelt birthday wishes for friend celebrating your bestie in star. So now that we have the title we want to use, you want to then copy this title again. So once you copy the title, you want to go back to use case, and you want to select blog section writing. And this is where we want to then generate the body of our article. So now, as you can see, we have our title right here, and we have the body of our content. And this is where you want to make sure to use the plagiarism checker tool to make sure this content is 100% unique. So you then want to go over to create a post, and then you want to make sure to paste in the title of the post like this. So now once you paste in the body of the content like this, the next thing you want to then do is to come back to download this Fiverr video. So you want to make sure to right click, and you want to then save this video to your device. You want to then make sure to come over to YouTube and upload that video to YouTube like this. Okay, so once you upload the video to YouTube, you want to make sure to use the same title from that Fiverr gig, and then you want to make sure to copy the body of the Fiverr gig as well. And now you may be wondering if you are going to get a copyright issue with this. You shouldn't, because it's a win-win situation. You are basically promoting this Fiverr seller gig for absolutely free, and if they get an order, they make money and you get an affiliate commission. So it's a win-win for everyone involved. So you want to then simply go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you want to make sure to copy your Fiverr marketplace link and you want to use any URL shortener of your choice to shorten the Fiverr link, and I'm going to use Bitly as an example. You want to paste in the link here. So once you create the link, all you need to do is to copy the link, and then you want to paste in the link right here which says order. Okay, so once you paste in the link here, all you just simply need to do from here is to then upload this video to YouTube. So you want to make sure to select none made for kids, and you want to click on next. You want to click on next again. So once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, all you just need to do is to copy the link to this YouTube video. Then you want to come back to your post, and all you need to do is to click on insert video, and you want to select YouTube. So all you need to do is to paste in the YouTube link in this box, and once you paste in the link here, you want to click on enter, and as you can see, it's going to pop up that video, and you want to click on insert. But the next thing you want to then do is to add a call to action, something like this, and you want to click on this link icon, and this is where you want to paste in the Fiverr affiliate link, so that if people don't want to go watch the video, they can still click on the link right here, which is going to take them to the Fiverr gig. All right, so you want to make sure to copy this same link and you want to paste it in multiple sections of the article. So once you do this, this is all you need to do, and you want to click on publish. And once we click on publish, it will come over to our website. As you can see here, if I refresh, you can see this is our post right here. And once people come over to the website and they click on the post, as you can see, this is what it's going to look like. And as you can see here, with this social proof here, giving your website high authority, people are going to trust this website. And now if they see this video talking about birthday wish, which is related to the content they are looking for, all they need to do here is to then click on either the video or click on this link. And keep in mind, this is not the only keyword. You can replicate this same process and create as many articles as possible. So if you make an article on each of these keywords here, I can assure you, you are going to get a lot of traffic from this keyword, and you will definitely make a sale and get Fiverr affiliate commission. So if you are going to try out this method, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And if you like this video, so I highly recommend to check out the first part of the video, which is going to give you more information on how you can even make more money on Fiverr.